Whether we're on sea country or we're not, it still always sits right at the bottom. We call Buldani, meaning our heart, from the heart. It's just that connection that we'll always have. The Ngara people have been in these lands and these waters for over 60,000 years. So a lot of our Indigenous knowledge is still here, and it's useful because we can help.
Traditional owners have been looking after this sea country for tens of thousands of years. A huge body of cultural knowledge about how to look after these systems. There's been a movement in Western science over the last couple of decades to try and take a more systematic look at how systems work. From a First Nations perspective, it's all about that. Everything's connected in some way.
It's that circular balance that we have. We are them and they are us. Making sure that we look after them is a big part of how we feel connected to our country.
They see no difference of the health of country, caring for country and caring for themselves. If we really are to build the world's largest conservation team, we must design it with First Nations at the front line. They are our frontline responders.
We're lucky here with a lot of the, people like Garnier. All of those projects that happen here in the region help support that process of making sure that we look after and maintain country and continue to keep that balance in the environment. Human beings are built on belonging. So how do we make everyone feel that same connection that we have to the area? And it can't happen unless we share our knowledge and our connections and our stories, also that they want to come help look after our areas as well. Because it's not just ours, it's theirs as well. It's for everyone. But that'll never happen if people don't come together.